I love piling products on my face, as you can tell. This isn't a Netflix comedy special, but I'm available if you want to call. Hi, I'm Carly Cardellino, and welcome to Mom vs. Trend, the show where I put my spin on the unavoidable Gen Z trends. The trend in question today, juicy skin. Shall we start? So what is juicy skin? Juicy skin is skin that just really looks plump, well moisturized, hydrated, and it is just glorious angel baby skin. My beauty routine has definitely changed since becoming a mom. I have like 30 seconds to myself, and that's only if I lock the door in the bathroom. To start, I always apply vitamin C. Vitamin C is a buzzy ingredient because it does a few things. It brightens up any dark spots. It helps just overall texture and tone, and it can stimulate collagen production. Okay, next is the Violette Boum-Boum milk. I am obsessed with this product. I actually use it at night and will wake up and my skin is still dewy to the touch, so I swear by it. You can spray it all over your face, and I even use it for flyaways, but I'm just gonna spray it on my hand for today. And I pat it in. Then I apply sunscreen. It's something I wear every single day, any time of the year. This one is Supergoop Glowscreen. It is SPF 40, but it has these blurring particles in it that really give you a glow. I mean, I'm going to look like a glazed donut at the end of this exercise, and that is the goal. My daughter and I put sunscreen on each other, which is super cute, and she thinks it's very fun, and we apply it with a makeup brush, which is like a great activity and a hack if you have kids. This is an Amicol highlighter. I'm gonna put this highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones. We need like applause here. My goal every day for my skin is to obviously keep it well protected with SPF and hydrated. I wanna look like a youth, I really do. I mean, I'm on the cusp anyway. While this blush doesn't have any shimmery particles or anything like that in it, it is a cream blush, so it will contribute to the effect. And it has a great little blending brush on the other side. Blush is supposed to go anywhere you want it to. In the summer, using it on the bridge of my nose, make it look like you have a little bit of sun. A makeup artist also taught me to put it on my eyelids to make it look like you're a little bit more awake. Like, oh, maybe she was outside. Maybe she had like a second to herself. She doesn't, she's a mom. That kind of thing. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of glitz, juice, whatever you wanna call it, to my eyelids using this cream shadow. It has a very fun little doe foot on as the applicator. So the evolution of the juicy skin trend, I believe it really came from skin acceptance, honestly, because there was such a movement of cover your whole face in makeup, cake it on. I really think Glossier was one of the first companies that was like, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna celebrate our skin. And now you see every beauty company launching something that's like, your skin but better. And that's kind of where we're at now. It's definitely something I'm gonna be teaching my daughter as a mom. Can you be too juicy? Do you know? LOL. The next thing I'll be putting on is this really juicy lip balm that I love. So my juicy skin is complete. My donut is glazed. Where am I going? Back to my kids. My kids are gonna get this juicy skin. They deserve it. They do.